I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Next Level Racing GTTrack Cockpit. We will immediately dive into its core aspects, starting with its incredibly robust design. This cockpit is engineered for serious sim racers, offering a stable and immersive platform. We will cover its extensive compatibility with a wide range of racing peripherals, ensuring you can integrate your preferred gear seamlessly. Furthermore, we will explore its impressive adjustability, allowing you to fine-tune your racing position for optimal comfort and performance. The GTTrack boasts exceptional build quality, featuring heavy-duty carbon steel construction that ensures maximum rigidity and stability during intense racing sessions. You will find highly adjustable plates for your wheel, pedals, and shifter, allowing for precise positioning. It also includes an integrated monitor stand, capable of supporting screens up to 65 inches, and a convenient keyboard and mouse tray. The comfortable racing seat, with its recline function and lumbar support, ensures long-lasting comfort for extended gameplay. Setting up your GTTrack cockpit is a straightforward process, with clear instructions and all necessary tools provided. You can easily adjust the seat, wheel, and pedal positions to achieve your perfect ergonomic setup, ensuring comfort and control. The cockpit features pre-drilled holes, making it simple to mount various racing hardware brands securely. Furthermore, you have the option to enhance your setup with a range of accessories, including motion platforms, for an even more immersive experience. The Next Level Racing GTTrack delivers an incredibly immersive and realistic racing experience, making every lap feel authentic. Its robust design ensures exceptional stability and rigidity, even during the most intense and dynamic gameplay sessions. Considering its premium features, build quality, and extensive adjustability, it offers excellent value for serious sim racers looking for a top-tier cockpit. This system is highly recommended for dedicated virtual motorsport enthusiasts seeking a durable and high-performance platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.